Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Remit app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for your list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. So then it's going to take you to this list here. In there you're looking for Remit app, or just click here on search here. Then here add Remit, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on force stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.